Hey friends, I hope you all are well. I am Sunita and I welcome you to my new video. Today I'll talk about this fruiting plant, pomegranate. As you can see, my plant is having 4 pomegranates. This plant is with me for around 5 years. In the earlier years, it has flowers but no fruits as it was not mature to fruit. Now it is doing fruiting. Let's talk about its care. You can choose the sunniest location to keep your pomegranate plant happy and healthy. The more sun it will receive, the more it will fruit. However, in case the temperature goes up to 40-42 degrees Celsius, then it would be better to put it under some shade where it gets few hours of sun. These plants can be grown in the USDA hardiness zone below 9 in containers. These plants can be grown in the temperature from 5 to 38 degrees Celsius, while the optimum temperature range is between 23 to 32 degrees Celsius. In winter, if the temperature goes below 15 degrees, then you can place them under the shade where it receives few hours of sunlight. If you are able to keep pomegranate tree in temperature around 15 degrees Celsius indoor and allow it to take at least 4 hours of sunlight, it will not shed its leaf and won't go dormant during winter. In case due to cold weather it goes into dormancy, then during the period of dormancy the pomegranate hardly needs water or fertilizer. However, please ensure that the plant should not dry out completely. You can grow pomegranate indoor also. For that, you need to place the plant near a window where it receives full sun. These plants like deep, loamy, well-drained soil. The soil should be rich in organic content and should be loose. For my plant, I took 2 portions of good garden soil, 2 portions of coco peat, 1 portion sand and 1 portion vermicompost. These plants don't like too much water. If the soil is too wet, they drop their flowers. During the growing period, their water requirement is medium to high. Therefore, you should water it regularly and deeply. Before watering, check the soil. If it's 2 inch dry, then water this plant fully. Wait for the soil to dry again before you give water. Please remember, soil must be kept moist but not wet or waterlogged. In winter also, check soil. If it's dry, then water sparingly. During the growing season, you can fertilize this plant every 2 to 3 weeks. You can use a combination of bone meal and vermicompost to fertilize this plant. Take a handful of vermicompost and bone meal mix and give them to this plant. Please make sure you do not over fertilize this plant as it can cause the tree to produce lots of foliage and comparatively fewer flowers. In winter, it does not need fertilizer. In spring, when the plant shows the first sign of growth and forms a few fully developed leaves, you can again start to fertilize it and give more water. Once the temperature is around 7 degrees Celsius, you can place it outside the shade. Pruning is necessary to keep the plant in good shape and encourage flowering and fruiting. You can prune this plant once the last frost of the winter season is over and when the tree is about to start its growth. You can cut all weak, dead and undesirable branches to direct plant's energy to the right parts and shorten long branches to encourage flowering. Repot your pomegranate tree when it becomes slightly root bound. The right time to repot is when there are no flowers or fruit on the plant, especially when it starts its growth at the beginning of the growing season. Take one size bigger pot to repot the plant and ensure that it should have several good drainage holes. Pomegranate plant is susceptible to pest attack. It is mostly attacked by fruit flies, white flies, and pomegranate butterflies. You can do neem oil spray to save your plant from these pests. Take 2 to 3 ml neem oil, mix it into 1 liter water and do the spray. These plants can be propagated by cutting or by seed in spring to summer, when the temperature remains in the range of 20 degrees Celsius. But it is better to buy a 2-3 year old plant from a nursery or online. This way you don't have to wait long for fruits. To propagate from seed, you can buy good quality seeds and plant them in a small pot. Place the pot in a sunnier location, preferably cover the pot with a plastic bag to create the greenhouse and maintain 20 degree temperature inside. Always keep the soil moist. The seed should germinate in 1 to 6 weeks time depending on the variety of seed and climatic conditions. To propagate this plant through stem, take several 8 to 10 inch long cuttings. Plant the cuttings in a well-drained potting mix. It roots easily and quickly at the ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and high humidity. Pomegranate fruit will ripen in 6 months after the appearance of flowers. Generally, the fruit harvesting time is September to October month. Harvest the fruit when the crust of the fruit is dark red. Always cut the fruit with sharp pruning shear or knife. This is all about pomegranate plant care. In case you need to know more, I have shared few links below in the description tab. Please go through them. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.